Okay, so what's up guys, welcome to this video. My name is SOni and we're gonna continue with our form tag. So where were we were over here. This was our form tag. Gonna tell you the various forms of input we can use right now. Okay, uh, first of all let me close this shit setting tag. Okay, over here instead of input type equals to text. Okay, I'm gonna introduce one more type, uh, which certainly would be, see, if you wanna use radio button, you can use radio button like this. Radio button, uh, copying input. Okay, come on, I don't want to copy this text over here for sure. Okay, but I do wanna have colon. Input type equals to radio, and see what happens. Equals to what yeah, fine. Gonna see radio button and I can click it like this. If you wanna have a lot of radio buttons, you can do it like this and change it like this. I'm gonna go a lot more faster now guys, so I hope that you have become familiar with HTML now. Gonna introduce break tags, so that gonna introduce line break over here and change it to this shit, and I can do it like this, one among all these shits. Okay, yeah. So now one more thing if you wanna have would certainly be that after radio button comes checkbox. If you wanna have checkbox, do it like this, check box. Okay, input HTML is a lot easier guys. You wanna have checkbox, write checkbox within input type, that's all. So I'm gonna write checkbox, name of this checkbox to be check chck1. Okay, yeah, forgot it to mark codes. Value to be check1. Okay, let's write languages. Okay, one is HTML. Okay, gonna save it, gonna refresh it and see checkbox. Okay, so over here gonna once again introduce a break and copy this shit over here and paste it like this. And you shouldn't paste it, okay, you type all these shits once again. Just to become familiar with checkbox you should write. Okay, fine, I will also write with you. You should write codes right now, you shouldn't copy it. You never should apply shortcuts right now, because we are actually learning. Checkbox 1, okay, it is checkbox 1. It is checkbox 2, colon, input type equals to checkbox, come on, name equals to ck2. Gonna say value to be CSS. Okay, and close it and break tag. Okay, yeah, and gonna say checkbox 3. Okay, fine, that's enough. Okay, 2 checkbox. Gonna refresh it and you see CSS values over here, because I have specified value within CSS like this. No, it's simply the text field limit, this text field. Okay, so gonna introduce one more break over here and see what happens. Oh, come on, this is input type text and this is, where is text field, isn't it? Exactly. Text field certainly is over here. See, input type text field, isn't it? Enter your name, so it certainly is a text box. If I write over it this, okay, so there certainly some mistake has occurred over here, which is that, okay, type spelling mistake, fine, now it's okay. So now basically if you want to write create a password field, you can create a password field, password. Okay, like this, input type equals to ssword, name equals to pass. Okay, value will be enter your password. Okay, this should be in double quotes. Okay, so guys, one more thing, if you are in the middle of the line but you wanna reach this over here, press and. If you wanna reach to the beginning of the line, press home. So if you are in the middle, you press home, you will reach over here. See, okay, yeah, that's really a nice way, quick way. Whatever, enter your password. Okay, so now I'm gonna move over here and see it's displaying in asterisk key, and this is enter your password. So certainly you shouldn't write this shit like this. You shouldn't never give it. No, it's okay. See, I can write like this. Okay, yeah. So there are a lot more types you can show. You should Google it. For example, if you wanna make a type for only numbers, you can specify it like this: input type equals to number. Right over here, number, and that's it. Okay, let it be only that much. We're not gonna give. Okay, so we can actually even type text over here, but the thing is that, guys, come on. Basically, in the Android and in all other mobile systems, when you open a keyboard, it will open numeric keyboard. This one. Background music is coming. Okay, so let's get started. Similarly, if you want to display URL, input for URL, you can do it like this: for URL. Of course, before that, we're gonna need to introduce break. So I'm gonna introduce break over here. URL, I'm gonna say input type equals to URL. Okay, and I'm gonna close it. Oh, come on, over here I'm gonna refresh it, and this is URL. Okay, for URL, whatever. So in this way you can specify a lot of input tags. Thanks for watching. In the next video we're gonna communicate with these two tags. That is, I'm gonna send value from this form tag into this web page. Simply, it's that whatever the text field over here, see, when I click send, please enter a URL. It's saying please enter a URL. So I need to first of all enter the URL www.facebook.com. Now I say it's still saying please enter a URL. Oh, that's incredible. HTTP colon. What's now? Still no. See, so that's pretty nice, isn't it? You cannot use text field. You should use this shit. And in the action, oh, light goes once again, guys. But I'm gonna tell you that much. Within the form tag, within action, I specified a.html as the attribute, and because of that reason, when I click send, it makes the page transmit to a.html. Basically, in the next tutorial, what we're gonna do would be that whatever you specify in this text field, when you click send, it will get displayed over in this web page. This is basically a really very important topic, because now through this weapon, through this tool, you can actually transmit your message from one web page to another. So that's really an interesting one, isn't it? We're going to learn in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment and rate. Okay.